So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to give you a quick fix to the issue that while you screen record your iPhone, you notice that there are slight background noise that is also being recorded in the screen alongside the screen recording, and that's because of your mic is enabled while recording the screen. That means it collects all the noise around you while you're recording the screen. Now in order to turn it on, you simply need to go to the screen recording option. You can easily find that in the control panel, or if you don't find it, you can simply add it by hitting add control right there. Now once you have the screen recording option, when you press and hold over there, you will see that on the below of there you will find this option of microphone off. You simply need to turn it off, and once you do that, you'll notice that the background noise will stop capturing. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.